Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Honda Civic LX in crystal black pearl. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 16-inch wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 23,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, lane departure warning, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, please visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5743A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.